Good morning and welcome to our project about the inefficiency of electronic waste management in the city of Paraná. This project is going to consist about the development of new recycling and reutilization initiatives in the city of Paraná. It's made by 3 members, Martina Carrizo, Facundo Santucci, and Rocío Schmidt, and we are students of Civil and Electronic Engineering of the National Technological University. Can you pass the... This project is developed around the city of Paraná. Paraná is the capital of Entre Ríos province, and it has, in 2022, it has around 270,000 inhabitants. The city currently has around 5,000 square kilometers, and is facing a major problem with the electronic waste that is generated by the people. This electronic waste is also called e-waste. The purpose of this project are two. First is to address the problematic issue of e-waste and its consequences, and the second is to investigate, analyze, and contribute to the search for solutions to the problem. This project, it's going to be organized in the next mode. It's going to be separated in two main problems that as well are divided by 3 parts each one. The first section is about the problem definition, that is the e-waste in Paraná. First, we are going to describe the context. Secondly, we are going to state the problem. And finally, in this section, we are going to analyze the causes and consequences of the problem. In the second part of the presentation, we are going to talk about the way forward. That is going to consist about the proposals that we made for make this problem gone. The first one is about proposing a new recycling plant in Paraná. Next, we are going to develop that idea, and finally, we are going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages about this proposal. The impact expected with this presentation is divided in 4 parts. The first one is the environmental protection. The second one is the social awareness that is going to be generated to the people. The third one is the economic development. And the fourth one is about the educational innovation that is going to be talked more in the future of this presentation.
Let's start with the first section of this presentation, definition and analysis of the problem, addressing the e-waste issue. I am going to talk about the description of the context. What is the recycling process like in Paraná city? Paraná is a large city with many residents. However, there is only one e-waste recycling center in the entire city. This place is located in a strategic area of the city in 2444 Churrarín Street. The center was inaugurated in 2017 because previously there was not any place for collecting electronic waste. What activities does the center carry out? Okay, firstly, the e-waste is collected. You can see that in this picture. Secondly, it's sorted and separated to finally be transported to Buenos Aires city in large trucks. You can see that in this second picture. First statement. What is the real problem with all this? According to the World Health Organization, 53.6 million tons of e-waste were produced in 2022, sorry, but only 22.3% was collected and recycled. With this in mind, we can think that a collection and transfer center is a good initiative. This is true, but it's not enough. The city is big, so a lot of people don't have access to the center or even know about it. As well as this is not a recycling center, this is a collection and transfer center. The e-waste is transported to Buenos Aires in trucks. Transporting e-waste long distance generates air pollution unnecessarily.
Now, we are going to talk about analysis of cause and consequence of this problem. Cause: increased consumption. Modern life make electronic devices essential, leading to a waste grow faster than recycling. Low access to recycling point. Many people don't know about or live near recycling center, making it hard to manage a waste. Lack of awareness. A lack of awareness and education about recycling contribute to inefficient waste management. Identification and description of the consequence. Air pollution. Transporting waste causes harmful emission, and burning non-recyclable items generate more pollution. Toxic exposure. Toxic substance from a waste can lead to serious health problems for nearby residents and workers. Water pollution. Improper disposal pollutes lakes and rivers, affecting health. Missed opportunities. Non-recycling value material, miss economic benefits, and job creation. What is our proposal about? We are going to propose building a new collecting point and a new recycling plant. This recycling plant is located at Chubarina Venus and Lopez Jordan Street, near the municipal center. This location offers safety for dangerous waste, easy road access for collection, and enough space for operation. A waste disposal point are going to be containers placed around the city. This plant is focused on collecting, separation, processing, and recycling waste. A waste disposal point are going to be containers placed around the city. Proposed locations include Almafort Avenue, Waterfront, Paraná, and Chubarina Avenue. Several points can also be along Ramirez Avenue, which runs through the city. Now, we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantage.
In relation to the strengths of this project, we can see that this project has a positive environmental impact. This is because it reduces e-waste and promotes recycling. Secondly, it supports economic growth by creating local jobs in different sectors, such as collection, supporting, or transportation of e-waste. Another strength is awareness and education. This initiative educates people about the importance of recycling electronic waste. Finally, this project provides material for technical schools. The students will have more resources for learn about the electronics, and they will have a better education.
However, in relation to the weaknesses of this project, we also have weaknesses. The first one is the public awareness that is going to be required for the people in the city. Low awareness leads to improper waste separation, and that is going to cause a problem in the future. The second one are the initial cost of the recycling plant that we plan to establish in the center of the city. High setup costs make implement difficult. The third one are the logistical challenges. Ensuring easy access for all residents is difficult because we need to think ahead before distribute these collection points, or before even know where we should put the plant. We needed to know that it has a really good access for the people around the city, and that was difficult. The final one is that we need continuous engagement from the people that are going to participate in this project. Ongoing public education and participation are required. In conclusion, this proposal provides sustainability in the way that we reduce e-waste, and that is a good point also. And also it generates a lot of job opportunities for the people that are around and involucrated in the process that we propose. In conclusion, this is a really sustainable proposal. The references that we use for the development of this project are shown in this slide. Thank you for your attention.